Hi, to record sound on your Google Pixel Watch free, firstly open Apps menu by pressing this Chrome button. And here go through this list to find app which is named Recorder. After we open it, we need to allow some permissions. So tap Allow, and now to start recording, just tap here. Allow to record audio while using app. And now you can see time of your recording here, and it's using watch microphone. So to pause your recording, you can tap this button and resume it later. To stop it, you can tap this button, and now this recording has been saved in your Pixel Watch. So press this check mark and you'll see it right here. You can listen it, skip forward or backward. You can tap here and listen your recording with the help of your earphones, for example. You can add volume by rotating your digital crown or by pressing these buttons. And also, you can tap on three dots, change playback speed, and delete this recording. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.